Finally done. Gas tank's still a little faded, gotta work on that, but everything is back together. She runs great, very powerful. Vibration on it, a lot, because it's impossible to ride. Alright, so we've had a pretty long journey with this bike. We've tore it all the way down. Son of a bitch! We got everything powder coated. We rebuilt the engine a few times and almost did everything on the bike, but now it's time to ride it. So let's go do that. But first, we do a montage. Might have dropped you, my bad. All right, we're gonna do a little transition. So this is like my third impression, but anyways, for y'all, my first impression with the bike, it's actually a pretty good bike. Very powerful. Once you get into like the top end power and you're really giving it some throttle, it vibrates your hands off of the handlebars, and you can squeeze as tight as you want, but your hands are not gonna like actually be on the handlebar. It just vibrates so aggressively and it kind of hurts. So once you like get in at top speed, which was 98, almost there. But yeah, so top speed of 98 is pretty good. Other than that, I didn't really notice any problems. The head mod from Harry Klim really helped with my pinging issue, because I started it up before all that and it was running good. I took it for a little ride and then it started knocking, and I thought, oh my god, I just blow out a crank. But no, it was just pinging. So sent it out to Harry Klim, got the head mod done. It was real fast, took like 2 weeks to ship it there, get it done, ship it back. So thank you to Harry Klim. Bike runs great now. And the OEM carb, it's a 165 main, and I'd have to look, I don't remember, they'll be right here, but I don't, those are the jet size for this OEM carb. I'm at like 700 feet altitude from sea level, so if you're around there, then that's the jet size you want to do. And I'll put the needle up here as well for those who want to run the OEM carb on this bike. But yeah, I ran good, pretty strong. Few kinks here and there, but other than that, I really loved it. A few other things I'll add is this little heat shield guard. It's just plastic, but it kind of sticks out. So if you're going over like a jump and you have your knees tucked up in here, once you hit the ground, it's gonna hit that. That's gonna really hurt. Ask me how I know. But either bend that in or don't run it. And also, if you're in a neighborhood with a bunch of people like I am, I would recommend getting a quieter pipe, because I don't think anybody likes me here. Too bad. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed and really enjoyed building and riding this bike. So I'll see y'all on the next one.